Hi, welcome to today's video. I will be doing a bed unboxing of some Demonias, and yeah, I've wanted a pair like this for a really long time. So let's go ahead and open this, not on my bed because ew, outside mail on the bed, no. And we will be sanitizing afterwards. Almost messed up my little light setup. So you know, the classic Demonia box. And inside it comes with some shoe covers, which is really nice to put them back into a nice little duster bag. And these are also vegan leather. They're the Funn-35. That's the name. Okay. Oh, and at the bottom, there seems to be an extra bag. So let's get into the shoe. Like, what? The perfect Y2K goth summer shoe. Like, I'm gonna be so excited when it gets hot again. Like, yeah, I'm in LA and it's not as cold as it was back home in like New Jersey, but it is still cold right now. It's like 40 degrees, but I will still be wearing these in the California winter. So it's square toe. I forget how many inches it is exactly. And then it has these spiky chains on the feet. Oh, don't look at my nails. Classic Demonia bottom. And I will say they are like a styrofoam material. They don't feel too flimsy, like they don't feel like they'll fall apart. But that's usually why I'm more geared towards New Rock shoes, because they're made of like metal, leathers, like really heavy quality stuff. They actually have a pair of sandals that I want to. Definitely higher quality, but yeah. These are also very cute, very lightweight. So very excited to style these. I have like some spiderweb lace fishnet socks and I'm gonna wear it with that. I do not like how the light is emphasizing. Why do I look so shiny in the middle of my face? Excuse me. But anyways, but yeah, this is the review. True to size. So I'm very excited to wear these. I might even throw in like a picture at the end of the styling that I'm talking about. But yeah, that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed today's video. And if you didn't know about these shoes already, you're welcome. I didn't put you on. They also have other styles of platform sandals like this, but there's one that has like a zipper and skull zipper right there. That one was also really cute. So they have a few different designs. But yeah, these ones really spoke to me. I hope you enjoyed today's video and come back for another one. Okay, bye.